Today I am reviewing the Zurn Wilkins 720A 1-inch 720A pressure vacuum breaker assembly. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a homeowner, a landscaper, or a commercial property manager, you already know that safeguarding your potable water supply isn't just a good idea. It is a critical necessity. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a product that has practically become the gold standard in backflow prevention, which is the Zurn Wilkins 720A 1-inch 720A pressure vacuum breaker assembly. Whether you are installing a brand new irrigation system, upgrading an old, leaky setup, or trying to meet strict local plumbing codes, this assembly deserves a spot at the very top of your list. Let's break down exactly why this heavy-duty valve stands out in a crowded market and why it is well worth the investment for your property. Right out of the box, the very first thing you notice about the Zurn Wilkins 720A is its sheer weight and build quality. This isn't some cheap, plastic big-box store component that is going to crack the first time the temperature drops or the pressure spikes. The main body construction offers exceptional corrosion resistance, superior mechanical strength, and built-in winterization protection. When you hold it in your hand, you can immediately feel the industrial-grade craftsmanship. It is specifically engineered to withstand high working pressures and the harsh realities of constant outdoor exposure. This premium construction means you won't have to worry about premature wear, rust, or replacing cracked components year after year, saving you immense hassle over time. At its core, a pressure vacuum breaker has one primary, high-stakes job, and that is to keep non-potable water from siphoning backward into your clean drinking water supply. The 720A handles this task with consistent, reliable, world-class performance. It is explicitly designed for continuous pressure applications, meaning it is constantly on guard. Whether it is fertilizer from your lawn, chemicals from a pool, or stagnant, bacteria-ridden water from a buried sprinkler line, this assembly creates an impenetrable barrier. It provides incredible peace of mind for you and your family, knowing that your household drinking water, as well as the community's water grid, is fully protected against dangerous backsiphonage. What really separates the Zurn Wilkins 720A from its competitors are the thoughtful, installer-friendly design details that make life easier for professionals and DIYers alike. Plumbing work can often happen in tight, awkward, or poorly lit spaces, and Zurn clearly understood this common headache when they engineered this valve. For example, the serial number is stamped in such a way that it remains completely visible in any installed orientation. If you have ever had to use a mirror and a flashlight while hanging upside down just to read a serial number for a city inspector, you will appreciate how much labor time and frustration this simple feature saves. Additionally, the test cocks are located right on the center line of the valve, allowing for unmatched installation versatility so you can position it precisely where you need it. You do not just have to take the manufacturer's word for it when it comes to safety and performance, because the Zurn Wilkins 720A comes backed by the most prestigious certifications in the plumbing industry. It is ASSE listed, IPMO listed, and CSA certified. Most impressively, it is fully approved by the Foundation for Cross-Connection Control and Hydraulic Research at the University of Southern California. This USC approval is the ultimate gold standard in the backflow prevention world. When municipal code inspectors come to check your property, seeing this specific model installed makes the approval process incredibly smooth, as it satisfies virtually all strict local and national regulatory standards. To wrap things up, the Zurn Wilkins 1-inch 720A pressure vacuum breaker assembly is a flawless combination of rugged durability, thoughtful engineering, and certified safety. It drastically reduces installation labor times, offers versatile mounting options, and delivers the kind of reliable performance that gives you total peace of mind. If you value your time, your safety, and your plumbing system's long-term integrity, do not cut corners on your backflow preventer. Investing in the Zurn Wilkins 720A is worth every single penny, and it easily earns a highly enthusiastic 5-star recommendation for any irrigation or pressure vacuum breaker application.